To solve this problem and be able to import any image in the Premiere timeline, you have to go to Google and search GIMP. This is a free and very light program that you can download here. And then here, you open it, it looks like this. And then you have to drag and drop the image that gives you the problem into GIMP. Then click on File, and then click on Export As. Now, you have to change the name right here. And it's extremely important that you finish it with .png. If you don't do this, it will not work, okay? Then you click here on Export. Then you click again on Export. And you will see that now you have the new image right here. You go back to Premiere, you drag and drop, and this time, as you can see, you are able to drag and drop the image.